So I'm back at the trails that I did last, the Laurentian ski hill trails, and I've climbed up the hill most of the way. That is New Bolton access. That's escarpment trail, and I'm gonna try this because last time we were here I was like, I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna try it. I forgot bug spray. I brought a shit ton of water though. I also forgot to turn on the air conditioner. Okay. I'm going to record in 4K 30 this time, because apparently our TV, a TCL, big ass TV, has trouble playing high bitrate videos, so figure if 30 FPS will show some speed better and YouTube can actually load the shit. Oh, I just got to plug my power bank in. There we go. So, this is some kind of like connector trail. And now I'm not going to go down here, but look how steep this is. Wow. Super steep. I'll figure out what's on the other side some other time, but for now, I just want to see what this new thing is, because if this connects to pines, and I'm pretty sure this will lead nowhere because there's a tree down between this and pines. And last time we were going to take New Bolton out from Tongues Out, and we couldn't. And I was trying to find a way around this down tree, and I couldn't. Okay, so this forks off here. It's a bit of a triangle right here. So that looks like it goes up there. This goes down there. You know what? Let's, oh, it looks kind of muddy down there. No, looks good. This looks fun. Let's try going up, and then we'll come back down. Don't know what this is. I think it's pines, but I'm not sure. A lot of pine needles on the ground. There's not too many bugs out. It's also not too hot out, but it is hot. It's like 22 right now. That's a trail right to my right. This might just bypass all the mud. Wonder what that is. Uphill. You'd think it'd be easier to pedal if you just gear down. It doesn't really get easier. It just makes you go slower. I'm in first. Had a lot of salt before I left. And then I drank a liter of water. I just chugged it right back. And I'm still really thirsty. I just stopped for water. It's actually kind of cool out. There's a nice cool breeze. Oh, I went on this yesterday. Yeah, that way should be the pond classroom. I'm just gonna go see if it is, because then I'll know where I am. Yeah, yeah. Yep. Okay, I know where I am. Okay, we're going up Pines, I guess. Wow, you see that? That would make a great picture. We were here yesterday, I think, or the other day. I'm gonna walk for a minute. What a nice trail, damn. I prefer blue trails, but I don't know, sometimes those greens look so pretty. I should have looked at this over here the other day. I see why it's called Pines. I had to just stick my belly out to get that shot. Is that something? It looks like a trail over here. Steep one. I'm just gonna go check that out. So that looks pretty crazy. There's no way people ride down this. Looks like people have. Wow, we're up really high. It drops like way down there. I gotta like force myself to drink water. I have like 5 liters of water in me, No joke. 5 liters? I'm still thirsty. Like, I drank 5 liters before leaving the house. It's funny how gears will feel different all the time. Like, I'll start pedaling in 3rd gear, and I'm like, wow, this feels super low. And then when, obviously, like, when you're tired, you go to pedal again, and you're like, oh, what gear am I in? 6th? No, you're in 3rd. I love being able to touch that front screen to make sure that it's still recording. Oh, this is where this is. This is tongues out. Okay, so we're gonna go from tongues out to ladder to south to hillbilly to sidewinder. Okay, ready? You're good. Somebody looks like somebody cleared this. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Almost went down. Oh, tip of my shoe hit a root and this looked like dragged me off the bike. I was in the wrong gear anyways. That's why my foot was down. You really gotta watch your tips of your feet here. Is this tech? Is this what tech is? I like it. At least if it has some flow in it. Faster than yesterday. Oh, just sending it. Ah! Foot got caught under again. Feels like I could really get injured from that. I'm gonna have to take it easy and really watch my feet. Woo-hoo. Almost went down there. Oh, God. Oh, my hands are kind of, my arms, yo. I took that a bit faster than the other day, and a little bit of extra speed, it might get you. Yeah, it was on my left pedal both times. My tip of my shoe hit a root and tried to basically like pull it under the root. Oh, that's scary. Okay, I'm just gonna have a drink of water and keep going. Could be easier to put these clips on DJI. already. Still recording, good. Yeah, these trails are doable on this bike, but I gotta figure out what's going on with the pedal scrapes or those roots on my shoe, because out of anything, that seems like the most dangerous thing that I'm doing here. Okay, I gotta look for a ladder now. Yeah, I felt kind of like my arms are getting like arm pump, I guess. Really just trying to keep my feet heavy. My feet kind of hurt also. Really just gotta prioritize smarter lines. What is this? Something on my left. Yeah, I think this is ladder. What is this? Oh, it's a jump. Okay, so I looked at the map this morning. That's the end of Sidewinder to my right. I think this is ladder. Yeah, trails can get sketchy when you're just trying to put in like that extra 10% of speed. Oh, I should be wearing gloves too. I brought them. This is ladder? I don't know, I guess I thought it'd be easier. It looks cleared, like somebody cleared these leaves with their feet or something. Oh, I wish I brought bug spray. Fuck. Well, I see why it's called ladder. Let's get rid of that. I'm just throwing sticks off to the side. So yeah, there was a race here on the weekend, last weekend, and I was like, yo, I could enter that. And then I looked at the route and was like, yeah, if I want to die, but I'd like to try it. I thought when they raced, they would time you for the entire thing, but they only time you for the downhill parts. So I have a chance. Because any Yahoo can just send it down a hill. Because if they were timing me on this climb, I'd have no chance. And I don't care if other people are like way better. I'd still want to see if I could do it. So it's not about winning. It's about seeing if I could place higher than last. That would be acceptable, given the guy who got last actually finished the race. I don't know, if I got like third from last, I'd be like, I did it like really well. I kind of like this being straight up-ish because you can get a lot of ground covered like that. I could ride down this too. You'd think walking would be even minimally easier. It is not. Oh. I'm gonna need a break and more water. I'm so thirsty. Come on. Camera settings 2233, 4K 30, but this time shutter is 100 auto. I think ISO is 800 auto. So less frames, slower shutter. Where the fuck am I? Okay, you know what, I'll stop up here. I took a video on my phone of exactly the route. So let's take a look. So I did not actually do this. I was supposed to go up Tongues Out, but I went up New Bolton, and then I got onto Ladder. So I'm actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to find a different map now. I still have a screenshot. Yeah. So I was supposed to go in there. Instead, I went in, I think, here. I went up and up and up. And now, or wait a minute, I found the ridge here. I went up. So I'm going to be crossing. Yeah, I'm right here. Right there. We got a ways to go up. Damn. No, stop. I don't want to copyright. Hall & Oates. Well, stop. Did I mention I needed water? Drink half.